super happy to be here at dotAI today. At Miracle, we're working on agentic commerce, helping sellers and marketplaces improve their products and improve their sales thanks to GenAI.
We decided to come to dotAI because we also help with securing AI agents, whether that's knowing who your user is that the AI agent acts on behalf, or doing some external tool calling. You want to do that securely with access token and refresh tokens in the mix, asynchronous authorization, or dealing with fine-grained authorization using RAG.
The reason why we're at dotAI today is fairly simple. We're changing the way we do healthcare in Europe with AI. So of course, we want to learn from the best, and we also want to share our journey on how we do that.
We are here today to present the GitLab Knowledge Graph. That is an open source tool that is for developer first, but that will help everyone to have access to the data in the same interface and in the same application.
So if you're a MCP developer, we'll help you build, host, and deploy your MCP server with other services like analytics, monitoring, security, authentication, and testing.
We're here today at the dotAI conference because it's probably the best conference out there for practitioners and builders of AI. We're seeing businesses of all different sectors and all different sizes that are coming together here, and we feel like it's really valuable for both us and them.
This is the only place like we have like in an intimate setting where you meet highly skilled people, highly qualified speakers. So there is no place we would rather be as a founder of an AI company.
And for sure, as part of a cloud application platform provider, we're more than happy to help them deploy those different AI-based solutions on the cloud and operate them for them. So come join us next year. A lot of interesting talks as usual, amazing sponsor, amazing people, a lot of fun.